Look at this channel called Loop Brain, which is about to cross 1 million subscribers with only around 280 uploaded videos and nearly 145 million total views. The channel grows by creating simple gaming and cartoon fact videos, especially dark facts about popular games and cartoons like Subway Surfers, Temple Run, and Mr. Bean. And these videos consistently get millions of views. This is not an isolated case, as several other channels are using the same simple content style and achieving massive growth. For example, the channel Unknown Theory has almost 200,000 subscribers with only 24 uploaded videos and over 10 million total views, using the same straightforward video format. The best part is that you can create these kinds of videos completely free using just your mobile phone. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to make such simple, viral-style videos at no cost using free AI tools, and the video you are watching right now was created by me in just 5 minutes. To create a video like this, you first need the right prompts. I have provided the link to these prompts in my description below. You will find 3 to 4 ready-to-use prompts. The process starts with your video idea. For that, take the first prompt from the document, copy it, and go to ChatGPT. If you haven't already, you will need to log in or sign up. Once you are in, simply paste the prompt into the chat box and click Generate. Instantly, ChatGPT will provide you with 5 viral topic ideas, perfectly aligned with the style of the successful channels we just saw. From these generated topics, you choose one. That single topic will become the complete video you are going to make. Now you have to choose any one of the topics given by ChatGPT. If you don't like any of them, you can simply ask ChatGPT to generate more topic ideas until you find one that fits you. Once you select a topic, the next step is to write the script. For this, go back to the Google Docs link I provided earlier and copy the complete script writing prompt. Then return to ChatGPT and paste that prompt into the chat box. In the first 2 lines of the prompt, you will see brackets that say, "Add your topic." Remove that text and paste the topic you selected earlier. After that, click on the Generate button and ChatGPT will automatically generate the full script for you. By following this process, your script will be ready to use in just a few moments. Your complete script is now ready. If you are not satisfied with it, you can easily regenerate a new version by clicking the Regenerate button in ChatGPT. Once you have a final script, the next step is the voiceover. You can record this yourself directly from your mobile phone. Alternatively, if you prefer to use an AI-generated voice, copy your entire script and go to the 11 Labs website. The link is provided in the description below. Click the link, sign up, and you will receive 10,000 free credits to start. After logging in, navigate to the text-to-speech section on the 11 Labs platform. Paste your script into the text box provided. On the right side of the screen, you will see a library of available AI voices. You can listen to samples of each voice first and then select the one you prefer. After choosing your voice, click the Generate button. Your AI voiceover will be created. To download it, simply click the Download button and the audio file will be saved directly to your device with one click. The next step is to create images according to your video script and then convert those images into a video. For this, go back to the Google Docs file and copy the last prompt provided there. Paste this prompt into ChatGPT and click the Generate button. ChatGPT will give you prompts for generating 5 images, which you will use to create visuals for your video. If your video includes a character, for example Shrek, you can find related footage on YouTube and use it without copyright issues by clicking on the Filter option and applying the Creative Commons filter. If your video is about a game like Subway Surfers or Temple Run, simply record the gameplay screen directly from your mobile phone and use that footage in your video. For cartoon or story-based scripts, first generate AI images based on your script, and for gameplay or action parts, use screen recordings or relevant clips. Finally, combine the AI-generated images, screen recordings, and any allowed cartoon footage together to create a clean, engaging, and strong video that is enjoyable to watch. The next step is to generate the images using the prompts from ChatGPT. To do this, copy the first image generation prompt that ChatGPT provided. Then go to the website called Pippit AI. You must sign up and log in on this platform. If you use the link I have provided in the description, you will receive free credits upon signing up, allowing you to generate unlimited images. Once you are logged in, the main interface will appear. You will see an option for Image and Video. Click on the Image option paste your copied prompt into the text box. Next, you need to select the image generation model. Choose the model called Nano Banana. After selecting the model, set the expected aspect ratio to 9:16, which is the vertical format for platforms like YouTube Shorts or TikTok. Finally, click the Generate button. The main interface will process your request and your first generated image will appear. After that, go back to ChatGPT, copy the next image prompt from the prompt box, paste it into Pippit AI, and click on the Generate button. Repeat this same process for all the image prompts you have. Once all the images are generated, click on the Download button for each image, select the PNG format, and choose the option without the Pippit watermark so that no watermark appears on your images or in your video. After downloading all your images, the next step is to convert them into videos using Flow AI. First, sign up and log into Flow, where you will get 100 free credits. Click on Create with Flow, then select New Project. An interface will appear showing several options. Click on Text to Video, then select Frame to Video. Click the plus icon and upload your first image that you downloaded. After uploading, a pop-up will appear where you need to select the aspect ratio, choose Portrait, and then click Crop and Save. Once the image is uploaded, paste the same prompt code you used to generate the image from ChatGPT into the box. Finally, click the Generate button, and Flow will start converting your image into a video. Repeat this process for all your images to create your complete video sequence. You must repeat this step for every image you want to convert into a video. For each one, upload the image, paste the exact prompt used to create it into the text box, and click the Generate button. Your image will then be processed and converted into a video clip. Follow these same steps for all the images you have generated. Once the conversion for a clip is complete, simply click its Download button, and that video file will be saved directly to your device. Now we move on to editing the final video. For this, you will use the CapCut app. If you have any other preferred video editor, the process is similar. Open CapCut on your device. Click on the Import button. Here, you will import all the video assets you have prepared. This includes all the video clips you saved from the AI video generation, any screen recordings of gameplay you made, and any other footage, such as Creative Commons clips from YouTube. Also, import the voiceover file you generated from 11 Labs. In short, import every video and audio file you have created for this project into CapCut. After importing everything, the first step is to add your voiceover to the timeline. Go through the voiceover and remove any unwanted parts or empty gaps, just like I'm doing. You should follow the same process. Once your voiceover is clean, listen to it and arrange your footage according to it. Place your first clip, play the voiceover, and then add the next clip in sync, continuing this for all your footage. For any AI-generated or saved video clips, reduce their volume so that only the voiceover is clearly heard. To do this, mute the clip by clicking the button next to the video on the timeline. This ensures the original audio doesn't interfere with your voiceover, making your video sound professional and polished. You must add all of your video clips to the timeline in the correct order. After arranging them, if you want to apply transitions between clips, you can easily do so from the editor's effects menu. To generate captions for your video, click on the Text or Caption button, then select Auto Generate Captions or a similar option. Click the Generate button, and your captions will be created automatically in one click. On the right side panel, you can then easily change the font style, size, and color of these captions with just a few clicks. Once all these elements are in place, your clips are edited, the voiceover is synced, the background footage is muted, and the captions are styled. Your video is complete. Finally, click the Export button. Choose your desired resolution and format, and your finished video will be exported and saved directly to your device.
You've been lied to about Shrek's world because it's not a fairy tale land. It's a punishment realm. And before I tell you why, hit like and subscribe before this theory ruins your childhood tonight. Every creature there was rejected from the human world for being different. Witches, talking animals, living toys, all dumped into one place like a prison. Notice how no one can ever leave, and how the land is surrounded by darkness and danger. Even Shrek is forced to live alone, hated for how he looks, not who he is. What if far, far away isn't fantasy, but exile, and the real question is, who decided they deserved it?